Hello students, welcome back to World of Home Science. When it comes to the selection of clothing for adults, a man's wardrobe is different from a woman. Man's wardrobe includes clothes for business, sports and formal wear. Complete wardrobe for a man includes shirts, trousers, shorts, socks, ties, shoes, nightwear and suit, etc. Those who are socially active also require more clothes than a housewife when it comes to a woman. Let's see the selection of clothing for adults. Myself, Vijay Patil, Assistant Professor of Home Science, Government First Grade College, Ankola. A person becomes an adult between 18 to 21 years of the age. An adult is mature more enough to select clothes on the basis of income, status, occupation, climate, age, sex, occasion, fashion, etc. A well-dressed person not only appears capable to others but feels more confident and capable of himself. Let's see the points to be considered while selecting clothing for adults. Occupation. Selection of clothing for adults depends upon the profession of a person. Those persons who are in marketing profession needs more of ties, suits and formal shirts, etc. Whereas a person in teaching and medical profession needs more sober clothing. Variety of clothes. Variety of clothes is more in case of women as compared to men. Casual and formal wear are totally different in both the cases. Fitting of the garment. A person's personality is judged with well-fitted garment. It becomes very important in all the types of garments. When it comes to the fashion, certain colors, styles, points go well in fashion during particular period of time. If a person needs to select the clothing for work, fashion will be the one of main consideration. Occasion. For formal and daily wear, the selection differs. Maintenance cost for daily wear should be less compared to formal wear. Trend plays an important role while selecting fabrics for formal wear rather than a daily wear. Clothing for elderly. Old age is concluding phase of life. During this age, many new problems arises, some of which have implications of clothing. It is generally observed that in old age there is decrease in the physical strength and energy. While selecting clothing for elderly, we should consider physical change. There are certain physical changes in the body, so they face a big problem in finding appropriate clothing that fits them well. During this age, the body becomes pear-shaped and the body sags. All these create problems as the ready-mades are based on standard measurements. Therefore, one should consider this is important while selecting clothing for elderly. If possible, stitching clothes according to their comfort is good. Ease in putting and taking off. Physical disabilities require clothing that may have many of the characteristics for young children. Safety features, large opening fasteners that can be easily closed. With decrease in energy and vigor and suffering of muscles, even those in good health need garments which do not require extensive stretching to put on or to fasten and unfasten. Problems related to temperature sensation. During this age period, skin becomes thin, dry and inelastic. Rough texture and heavy fabrics may irritate this type of skin. The older persons feel both cold and hot more than the younger ones. Thus, clothing has to be warmer in winters and cooler in summers. The elderly mostly move about less and more slowly, so warmth is not generated to that extent by these movements. Use and care of clothing. Clothing for elderly should be easy to care and use. Clothes which can be easily washed and ironed can be used. Comfort is very important considerations to be used. That's for now. This is me Vijaya signing off. If you find the content of this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. Comment for your suggestions. For future home science videos, stay tuned. Bye bye.